Land degradation and conservation measures. Dear student, this question comes in board of 3 marks. Kindly pay attention. Listen it very carefully. Land degradation. What is land degradation? Just degrading the value of land is land degradation. Human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, mining, quarrying have contributed significantly to land degradation. Mining sites have deep scars and stresses of overburdening the land. In recent years, industrial effluent waste have become a major source of land and water pollution in many parts of the country. Beyond this, you can cite your own example if you know there are a lot of causes of land degradation other than this also. It depends upon the how question is asking of how much marks the question is. Now, let me tell you a little bit more. बच्चों हम जो उल्टे सीधे काम करते हैं और प्रकृति के साथ खिलवाड़ करते हैं, इससे धीरे धीरे लैंड की वैल्यू डिग्रेड होती चली जा रही है. जैसे कि हम लोग अंधाधुंध पेड़ों की कटाई करते हैं, ओवर ग्रेजिंग कराते हैं, माइनिंग करते हैं. माइनिंग करने के बाद खनिज पदार्थ निकालने के बाद उसको वैसे ही छोड़ देते हैं. पूरा एग्रीकल्चर और इंडस्ट्री से जो भी वेस्ट निकलता है लैंड में डाल देते हैं. डंपिंग ये हो गया है. लैंड हैज़ बिकम अ डंपिंग गार्बेज. तो धीरे धीरे लैंड के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है. इसी वजह से इसका डिग्रेडेशन हो गया. इसी को लैंड डिग्रेडेशन कहते हैं. नाउ सम मेजर्स कि इन सब से हम ऊपर कैसे उड़ें. हाउ टू कम ओवर फ्रॉम द लैंड डिग्रेडेशन प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट, एफॉरेस्टेशन एंड प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ग्रेजिंग. वी शुड प्लांट मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज and grazing of cattle and animals should be checked. Second, planting of shelter belts of plants. We should plant trees as a shelter belt. Thank you. Next thing we will see in next slide. So dear student, in this slide we will study about the conservation of land. So two process I have told you. First is afforestation, planting of more and more trees. Second is shelter belt. Now the third is stabilization of sand dune by growing thorny bushes. At least if we plant some thorny bushes in the desert area, then increase of the desert area can further be stopped or checked. Fourth, proper management of wasteland. So a large portion of area is under control of the wasteland that can be utilized and be converted into cultivable land if we have a good scientific practices over there. Then the wasteland can be converted into a cultivable land. So the area which is west for us can be utilized more and more by us. Next is control of mining activities. Mining activities are very much essential. We cannot stop it, but rather we can check it. The proper check should be there on the mining activities. Last is proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluent and waste after treatment. It is sure because without industry we cannot live. Industry is also important. So when the waste material is taken out of the industry, that should not be disposed or decomposed on the land directly. It should be first treated well, then it should be disposed on the land. So by this six steps, we can utilize the land use pattern in our India. In next slide, we will study about the soil. Thank you. Sometimes the question comes of 3 marks. State any 6 ways to control the land degradation. This is the correct answer for this. Thank you.